Good day and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about the themes in mathematics, right from junior class to the senior classes. So there are 5 themes that are usually studied in secondary school. And if you as a student understand this theme, or you as a teacher understand this 5 theme, so it will enable you to assess your students. And if you're a student, it will enable you to assess yourself on where do you need to intensify your efforts. Now, starting from the first one, the number one thing in mathematics is numbers and numerals, where you'll be taught uh, place value, counting of numbers, what have you. These are numbers and numerals, right? So the second thing is basic operations. Say add a plus b, add 2 plus 4, multiply. So addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, all those say they are basic operations. So those area, you are doing nothing than you adding or subtracting two numbers or more number. Remember, the first one is numbers and numerals. Okay, the second one is basic operations. Now, you cannot do operation without numbers and numerals. If you understand it, without numbers, there is nothing you want to operate on. So you can see how it is coming down from the basics. So when you understand what a number is, what is tens, what is unit, what is hundred, what is thousand, million, then you cannot say I want to add 10 plus 100 to make it so. I want to add 1,000 plus million to make it so. Hmm? So this is how it goes. So the number one thing is number and numeral. The number two is basic operations. When you say operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and what have you. And the third thing, they are the algebraic processes. Now you understand numbers and numeral. So the algebraic processes now deals with addition of numbers and alphabet. When you say 2 times x equals to 2x, or 2 plus 4 plus x equals to 6 plus x, or when you say 2x plus 3y plus 4x equals to 6x plus 3y, which is equals to, give it the next. When you get there, you understand it. Now, let's go again. The first one is numbers and numerals. Second one is basic operations. The third one is algebraic processes. Now, algebraic processes, don't forget, it says it deals with adding numbers and alphabets. Adding numbers and alphabet, or multiplying numbers and alphabet, or dividing. Just the combination of both letters and number. That is what algebra is all about. Now, the fourth one is measurement of geometry. Yes, this is where shapes comes in. You see all this triangle, rectangle, square, rhombus. So that's another thing entirely. So all those shapes, when you understand numbers, you understand the operations, you understand the algebra, then the next thing is to understand shapes, how they form, their their constituents. What makes so shape? If you cut this and this, what will it give you? So that is 4. And the last one is statistics. Statistics. How to look for figures, how to look for patterns in data. So you can have data of so number of students in your class. Then in this class, how many students scored above the pass mark and how many students score below the pass mark. Then you can now be talking about the mean score, the median, the mode, the range. Are you with me? So these are the 5 things in mathematics. Let's go again. As the last one, the first one is numbers and numeral. The second one is basic operation. The third one is algebraic process. The fourth one is shapes, which we called measure of geometry, and the last one is statistics. So as a bonus, look at me. This is how you get it. If you want to get it, do like this. All right. The first one is N. Do that assignment so I stick to you. The second one is A. Is basic operation. Sorry. B-O-N-B A-B-M-G and E-S. Now M-B-A, Mbame. If you are an Igbo guy, Mba, Mbam. So we have this M-B-A-M-E. Number and numeral, basic operation, algebraic processes, measure of geometry, and everyday statistics. So this is a code for you to decode this. NOPGS, or second one is NOPS. So if you are able to decode this thing, once you are doing anything, you will know, oh, this thing is under this, under this. So when you are trying to do anything like examination, you should know that when you see any question, which of these things does the question comes from? So subsequent classes that we're doing, I'll be telling you the thing that we are doing, what we are doing, under which thing does it falls to, help you understand it. So if you enjoy this class, please give it a thumbs up, like, and share it to your friends so that they can also follow and learn. We are starting from GS1 classes till you get to SS3. So in this channel, if you are following us, I bet by the time you get to the final class, you will have become a great mathematician. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.